Hey you guys, Chef Sarah here, and today I want to show you another recipe utilizing eggs, Caesar salad dressing. So let's get started. Wait, don't come near me. Okay, come near me.
Caesar salad dressing, take one.
Take one. Like forgetting to hit the record button is like working all day on a project and putting it in the oven whenever you leave at night and like forgetting to turn the oven on. And then you come in the morning and it's like spoiled and you can't use it. So I know your pain. We put a salad on the menu probably like 5 years ago. It was a grilled Caesar salad. It comes with Castelvetrano olives, griddled onions, garlic and parsley breadcrumbs, some homemade Caesar dressing, a few other things. It's delicious. It's one of our most requested salads. We sell hundreds of them a week. So it's really a big hit. And I want to show you how we make that dressing for this. So we're going to start with everybody's favorite ingredient, anchovies. You know, I love anchovies. They're really, like, they have a good salty flavor. I don't mind the bones at all. They just kind of like melt into your mouth. Super yummy. We have some garlic, about a 1/4 cup of garlic, whole cloves. I don't like the pre-cut stuff. Just cut it up yourself. You can do it. We're gonna pop this bad boy on. And if you don't remember, this is my mother's bar mitzvah blender for my brother. It's a BB. She bought this for my brother's bar mitzvah when he was 13. And this thing is a beast, it still works. So go ahead and let those grind up. You really want to work those. You really want to make them into like a paste. So I will, that smell. Oh, they should bottle it and put it in a perfume. Raw garlic and anchovies. That's how I got my husband. I was wearing this. No. So I've got a really nice, everything is chopped up. It's pretty pasty. I mean, there's still some chunks, but we're gonna continue to blend it. So you wanna make sure that it's blended pretty good. Next, 3 egg yolks. So we just want the yolks blended. Scrape down the sides. All right, next we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. I love Dijon mustard. It has like a nice acidity to it, and it's spicy. I feel like I like it better than yellow mustard, but my favorite mustard of all is Coleman's, like the dry mustard powder. I love that stuff. I love it because you can get lots of flavor and lots of spice in anything. Okay. Blend it. Tablespoon of salt, put it in. Teaspoon of black pepper, put it in. Guess what, you guys? Blend it. So those like garlic and anchovies, they're still getting like worked around. So yummy. So I've got this like nice paste. Red wine vinegar, tablespoon of that. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Make sure it's the fresh stuff. Don't use the canned or the squeeze bottle. You don't even know how old it is. It's probably pasteurized. And once you cook things with acid in them, once you boil things with acid, so vinegar, lemon juice, any of that stuff, it starts to lose its acidity. So fresher is better. Blend it. So this is really super emulsified and nice and pasty. I like to always keep, and not that kind of pasty, but like pasty, like texturally. I always like to keep a little bit of water with me when I'm making an emulsion because like I've said before, we are trying to make a stable combination of protein and fat. And so we need, the thing that's gonna bond those together is a little bit of liquid. We already have some lemon juice, some vinegar. We have some different stuff in there that's working as that. Mustard is also a natural emulsifier, but just in case it starts to break, make sure you have a little water on hand. So we're slowly gonna start to add this, also known as mount. So we're gonna mount this oil in. So if you start to see here on like the side of your container, that the oil is not working in, that means that your emulsion is getting a little tricky. So you probably need to add a little bit of water. All right, so let's give this a little taste. Oh my God, that's so good. What's that guy? Tony Cardenas, is that his name? I feel like that's the name of a man that owns a Caesar salad company. Or Kenny Loggins. Kenny Loggins, is he the one who makes all the salad dressings? Paul Newman, I'm being told. Not Kenny Loggins. Paul Newman. Does Paul Newman sing or was he an actor?
Actor.
Mm.
Like one of the biggest actors ever.
Yeah. That's delicious. Oh my God. So, let me wipe that up. Don't take a picture of that yet. I don't know why that did that. Probably because it's 30 years old. You know what? Here's the thing, you guys. All you people out there that are making appliances, I want an appliance this color. I don't need it to be bright white. I want it to be this like weird yellowish, I've been used, I'm aged. Just sell me something that has this vintage appeal. I don't need all these fancy things. I need an on button and an off button. All right, let's check this out. Let's see the consistency of our salad dressing. So if you feel like it's a little thick, and we do ours thick because we put it on a grilled Caesar, so the Caesar's warm, which makes the dressing a little melty. Normally Caesar salad dressing is really thick because you're tossing it with all the salad to coat it. So we will put this in here blindly. So not only is this an amazing salad dressing, but this would be delicious on roasted Brussels sprouts. Like if only somebody could show you how to roast Brussels sprouts. This would be delicious on there. It kind of reminds me a little bit of like a creamy bagna cotta. This is great for all kinds of things. You guys, try it out, love it, put it on your salad. And don't forget to check out my website, www.freighthouse, that's wrong. And don't forget to check out my website, www.chefsarabradley.com, where we will teach the other half of this recipe in a live virtual class. We'll also have all kinds of other classes. We do all kinds of fun stuff. We've got on-demand classes, cocktail classes. It's really a good time. So I will see y'all soon. Eat more anchovies. I'm gonna give it to one of these crew guys. It's like, I hate anchovies. He's gonna try it. I'll let you know what he thinks.